Surely you would like to make these or these characters for your own channel and use it in your video. In this video, I want to teach you how to do this in the shortest possible time. If you have seen the videos of these YouTubers, you will understand how effective these characters are for entertaining the audience. Even I had used this method in my previous videos. By creating these characters, you can give your channel a character and it will make the audience more interested in your channel. And as a result, the audience will spend more time on your channel. In this tutorial, I use Adobe Photoshop software to create the character and Adobe Premiere Pro software to animate it. You can use other software, but in my opinion, the best software for this work are Photoshop and Premiere. To get started, we have to go to the FreePic website to find a photo of our model. We write the model or position we want in the search section. After that, in the filter section, activate the free option and the photo option. Now we can watch the most suitable photos we want and choose from them. Now that we have downloaded the photo, open this photo in the Photoshop. We take the lasso tool and click on the select subject section. With this, the background of our photo will disappear. You can use different methods to remove the background, which is the easiest method. After the select is done, click on the mask button to remove the background. After that, we select brush by pressing the B button or selecting this option. Change the brush color to black and delete the head of this guy. Now we draw a circle. Draw a circle by holding the shift button. After this, we insert our logo. Now we are in the layer section between these two layers and press the Alt key. Now we will place this logo on this guy's head, and after this, we will output from our image. To exit from the file section, click the Save As option and select the PNG format. Now we need to use Adobe Premiere Pro to animate this image. We open a new document inside the program and enter this photo into the program. I have already made a ready-made effect and I have put the link of this effect in the description for you. Download this link and go to the preset folder in the effects section and right-click. Now click the export preset option and select the file whose link I put it in the description. I put this effect on my photo, and from this section I adjust the keyframes of this effect to get the best output. And now this is our final output. Well, now in order to create a character like the one that channel 10x Income has, you have a very difficult task ahead of you. You must use Adobe Illustrator, but before that, know that this work takes a lot of time and it might not be as beautiful as these characters. And you must learn the skill of character building, and this skill is not easy to learn. I suggest that in order to have these characters, you can use freelance websites such as Upwork so that others can do this for you at a lower cost. But if you want to learn this skill, search the phrase create character in Illustrator in YouTube, and these videos will be the best guide for you. Because I myself don't know this skill, it's better to get help from those who are professionals in this field. If you want to know how you can monetize a channel with only 5 videos, be sure to watch this video because I told you the secret of many people who are monetized with low videos.